I ain't got no idea, God, yeah. And now, okay, long story short, the music, the lights, everything, the niggas all over, the food, you know, everything. And I'm like freaking out now. What's happening here? And the sound, the sirens, everything. Wow, man. Canvas City now. What's up? Huh? And everybody's like, what up, man? You here? And I'm like, wow, man. Okay, long story short. Okay, here we are now sleeping, and I wake up to these guys, and they're like, what up, man? You still sleeping at this time? And you know that it's going down. I'm like, what, nigga? Is it going down today? And they're like, yeah, man. Okay, long story short. Here we are now. Okay, we're looking for. I'm specifically looking for a white shirt, white t-shirt, actually, that I'm gonna wear tonight because they say it's all white party, and I'm like, okay, who organized this party now? And they're like, nigga, calm down. Okay, long story short.